Hey, how are you? Didn't see you for a long time.
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you? How's life going on?
I'm doing great. I'm into exports of food items. I regularly export to different countries. Recently, I exported to London. You were attending export classes, right? How is your export business?
Actually, I'm finding it very difficult to identify buyers abroad. I thought of joining few B2B portals for enquiries, but every B2B portals is very expensive and not affordable for me at this stage. Current pandemic situation has also restricted my travel plans. Now I have to try reaching out through emails and calls, but I don't know where to start, and I'm not sure whether it is possible to find buyers online.
Actually, I am using reverse sourcing method to find buyers without travel or B2B portal membership.
Is it so? That's good news. How do I use that reverse sourcing method?
There is a 1 week workshop conducted online about finding buyers. All you need is internet connectivity and basic English. I'll tell you how does this work. On day 1, you will come to know about different types of buyers and how to prepare yourself for finding them. On day 2, you'll be able to find buyers without spending too much and determine whether they are genuine. On day 3, you will learn how to get attention of buyers and attract export enquiries. This is the game changer. On day 4, you will learn how to increase the chances of building trust and converting them into orders. On day 5, you will have a live Q&A session to clarify your doubts and also know how to grow your exports in 3 months. The best part, you can register now for reverse sourcing workshop at consulkirba.net and it is only 4.99.